Tired of rough idling and dropped MPG from clogged fuel injectors? Don't worry, I've got you covered with a straightforward look at the best fuel injector cleaners that actually work. Today, I'm going to be going over the best fuel injector cleaner that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Lucas Oil 1003, a practical fuel injector cleaner designed to restore performance for everyday drivers. From the moment you open the bottle, the cleaner's viscosity feels balanced, signaling compatibility with a wide range of gasoline engines. The bottle is a compact 16-ounce unit, and the formula blends detergents capable of clearing varnish and deposits, potentially improving spray patterns. Ideal for daily drivers seeking smoother idle, improved throttle response, and cleaner combustion without expensive maintenance routines today. Constructed in a sturdy 16-ounce bottle with a child-resistant cap, the packaging communicates care and professional formulation. Dimensions are compact enough for shallow engine bays, and the bottle's neck design facilitates precise dispensing during routine maintenance. Compatible with many gasoline blends, this additive remains versatile across older and newer engines while avoiding harsh chemical formulations that could degrade seals. Storage requirements are minimal, and dosing instructions align with common engine capacities, simplifying use for hobbyists and professional technicians alike. Under real-world scenarios, Lucas Oil 1003 demonstrates noticeable improvements in throttle response and fuel economy after a few tankfuls. During highway driving and city commutes, emissions appear slightly cleaner, and smoky exhaust concerns diminish as injector cleanliness improves gradually. Veterans in shops and DIYers alike appreciate clear, measurable results without the downtime required for more invasive cleaning methods. Despite its broad compatibility, the product is designed for gasoline engines and may not suit diesel applications or heavy fuel systems. In a head-to-head test, the Lucas Oil 1003 shows comparable injector cleaning results to Techron Concentrate Plus while delivering better value. The pros include strong cleaning power, affordable price, and easy bottle pour. The cons include gasoline engines only and diminishing returns on severely clogged systems. At number 4, we have the Chevron 67740 CAs. From the moment you unbox, the Chevron 600-740 case projects a professional aesthetic that appeals to professional shops and DIY enthusiasts alike. The Chevron 67740 case weighs in with a balanced mid-weight feel, enabling confident handling during mobile diagnostics and shop tasks. Target audience includes shop technicians and car enthusiasts who demand durable, organized solutions for portable maintenance routines today. The build quality impresses with a rugged exterior and reinforced corners designed to survive the rigors of daily shop life. Its compact dimensions balance storage capacity with a manageable footprint, allowing easy stowage in a standard tool chest. The lid closes with a confident latch, seals reliably, and secures internal compartments to prevent shifting during transport. Inside, a modular tray accommodates various injector sizes and adapters, keeping tools organized while you work in the field. A built-in pressure regulator and clear flow indicators help ensure optimal cleaning cycles across different engines purposefully. Durable seals and a replaceable filter cartridge extend service life, resisting chemical attack from cleaners and solvents used during maintenance. In bench testing, the Chevron 600-740 case demonstrated consistent cleaning power across a broad range of injectors, restoring spray patterns. In on-road trials, vehicles exhibited smoother idling and improved throttle response after several cleaning cycles under real driving. Compared to a leading rival kit, the Chevron 600-740 case delivered faster setup, clearer labels, broader solvent compatibility, and noticeably improved reliability. The pros include durable construction with reinforced housing, excellent value for money, and easy setup in any workshop. The cons include higher price and bulky design that may challenge portability in compact spaces for mobile work. At number 3, we have the Royal Purple 117020 Initial Impression, a compact, industry-grade bottle that promises improved fuel cleanliness for everyday drivers and performance enthusiasts alike. Its target audience seems to be budget-conscious commuters and DIY enthusiasts seeking maintenance ease without dealership pricing today. People aiming to extend injector life, reduce rough idle, and maintain fuel economy will likely appreciate this product's straightforward application. Build quality shows thoughtful packaging and a sturdy bottle design, with a wide neck for easy pouring without spills. The design emphasizes grip-friendly labeling and clear usage instructions, helping first-time users mix the product safely into their fuel system. Dimensions align with standard automotive additive bottles, typically around a 12 to 16 ounce range, ensuring compatibility with common fuel system setups. The formula targets carbon deposits on injectors and intake valves, promoting smoother spray patterns and more efficient combustion. A robust detergent package conditions fuel rails and injectors, reducing future buildup and potentially restoring lost throttle response. Direct performance benefits include steadier idling and noticeable acceleration responsiveness after a single treatment in many applicable engines. In real-world use, drivers report smoother starts and reduced stumbling during cold starts after applying the cleaner per bottle directions. Long-term tests suggest ongoing cleanliness maintenance reduces injector wear and helps maintain consistent power delivery across varying RPMs. Professional reviews note the cleaner's performance is noticeable on modern direct injection engines when used as part of routine maintenance. When stacked against the leading rival, the Royal Purple 172-2 performs stronger in cleaning deposits and restoring throttle feel. The pros include improved throttle response, restored fuel economy, and universal gasoline engine compatibility, delivering tangible, everyday driving benefits. The cons include higher price and limited direct injection compatibility, which may limit value for some users overall. At number 2, we have the Gumout 5.21 W6PK. If your daily driver relies on clean fuel delivery and you are budget conscious, this kit promises straightforward protection. Designed for DIY enthusiasts and small fleets seeking straightforward maintenance, this 6-bottle kit promises broad compatibility and easy, mess-free application. The container design emphasizes stackable bottles and a secure cap system to minimize leaks during transit and storage. Each bottle features a narrow neck and rugged label that resists wear, enabling stable handling during routine pouring. The formulation employs advanced detergents and a balanced solvent blend to maximize injector cleanliness without harming seals over time. In controlled dyno testing, it demonstrates measurable intake cleaning, leading to smoother idle and improved throttle response across recent samples. Owners report noticeable performance gains in real-world driving with fewer stumbles under load and restored fuel economy after several tanks. The kit is designed for straightforward pour and mix procedures, reducing spill risk and encouraging regular maintenance intervals. The formula is engineered to perform reliably with common ethanol blended fuels while avoiding harsh interactions with rubber seals and gaskets. The labeling remains clear and durable through transportation, helping technicians verify residue levels and treatment intervals at a glance. The 6-bottle pack provides long-term convenience and straightforward inventory for both households and small fleets. When pitted against Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus in a head-to-head session, Gumout delivers quicker injector response and lower cost per treatment. The pros include excellent value per treatment, 6-bottle pack for long-term maintenance, and wide compatibility with many gasoline engines. The cons include higher upfront cost for single use and limited effectiveness on severe carbon buildup. At number 1, we have the AUTOOL Fuel Injector Cleaner Tester. Right out of the box, the unit exudes professional confidence with a tactile sense of quality and purposeful controls. Targeting shop technicians and experienced DIY enthusiasts, it promises precision diagnostics without the complexity of industrial-grade gear. The price point signals accessibility for small businesses while still appealing to ambitious hobbyists seeking measurable performance benefits. The chassis uses a robust aluminum frame paired with a reinforced end cap, delivering durability while remaining relatively compact. Its dimensions are thoughtfully chosen to fit standard tool chests, yet still accommodate multiple adapters for diverse engine configurations. The weight hovers around 2-4 pounds, a balance between solid feel and practical portability for field or shop use. A precision fuel rail adapter and configurable flow control enable accurate replication of engine conditions across multiple injector channels. Selectable pressure ranges and RPM simulation allow thorough testing that mirrors realistic driving scenarios and fuel system dynamics. A built-in leak detection mode continuously monitors seal integrity to prevent false positives from minor hose or connector leaks. In bench trials, readings remain highly repeatable across a spectrum of rail pressures, underscoring consistent solenoid actuation and calibration accuracy. Velocity tests demonstrated stable spray pattern emulation and rapid response times, reducing measurement noise during rapid switching cycles. Longer duration runs revealed the unit's thermal management kept performance steady without notable drift or pressure sag over time. Compared to the Snap-on fuel injector tester, the AUTOOL delivers similar diagnostic capability at a fraction of the price. The pros include solid build quality that endures, accurate ratings that technicians can rely on, and versatile testing modes suitable for various workflows. The cons include a higher price that may deter budget buyers and limited after-sales support in certain regions, impacting perceived value.